long and straight, falling down, silky lines without a sound. Through my hands, smooth and light, shining softly in the light. Pull it back, nice and slow. Feel that simple, steady flow. Tie it tight, let it fall. There's a beauty in it all. Straight ponytail, soft and sleek. Every strand is strong yet weak. Running fingers through the shine. Every inch of it is mine. Simple, natural, wild and free. This is how I'm meant to be. Straight ponytail, just me. Slide the band, hold it there, let it fall like I don't care. Smooth and calm, lines so clean, prettiest I've ever seen. Wrap it once, maybe twice, doesn't have to be precise. Though so tight, either way, I could do this all day. Straight ponytail, soft and sleek. Every strand is strong yet weak. Running fingers through the shine. Every inch of it is mine. Simple, natural, wild and free. This is how I'm meant to be. Straight ponytail, just me. No need to change a thing at all. Love it long, love it tall. Silver blonde, every line tells a story that is mine.